Hi everyone. So in this video, I will be talking about TCS. So one of our candidate who has in our discussion group. First of all, I want to talk about the discussion group. See, we have a very good community of students, and if you also want to contribute to the community, if you want to share the updates, if you are getting any rewards, you want to push the rewards, you want to discuss about the companies, you can join our Telegram discussion group. I will be putting the link in the pin comment, so you can join that group and it will be useful for you. And please make sure that you are also contributing to the community if you are getting any updates. Okay, so link you will be getting in the description. So on our group only we got this update. Okay, so one student completed the TCS discussion on 10th of February. He shared his experience, so I want to share the experience with you guys also. This kind of mail, dear candidate, greetings from TCS campus recruitment team. As part of TCS NQT, you have got a chance to have a technical discussion with us. Please find below the details of the discussion. Request you to prepare and be physically present at the venue. Interview date 10 February. Venue is given here and categories digital discussion. Okay, so let's talk about this. So the students who got actually face-to-face discussion mail, many of the students are having the interviews, like full technical interviews in that. Okay, so if you got the face to face discussion mail, okay, mostly it will be a technical interview only. So I completed my TCS offline discussion yesterday. I got this mail before the discussion. My experience, it was a pure technical interview. Like normally in TCS we have TR, MR plus HR, but yesterday there was only one interview and one panel technical. Okay, so only one panel was there. It started lightly. How are you? Have you completed with your lunch? Then he asked about my resume and told me to introduce myself. Then he asked about my family background. Okay. Then he asked which is my favorite language. I said C++. Then he asked basic questions from OOPS, like what is encapsulation, what is abstraction, can we make an object of an abstract class, explain overriding, overloading. Then he asked me to write code finding duplicate in string. Then he asked me if I know SQL. Then he asked what is DDL. Then he asked me to write query for delete command. Then he asked me to find second max salary. He also asked the certifications I have done. Then after all this, he asked the basic HR question, like you working somewhere else in past 6 months? Have you given any other interview? Do you have any location preference? Are you okay if you give you ninja offer? Are you okay with the shifts? And then my interviews was completed. It went for around 20 to 25 minutes. Okay. First of all, I want to talk about this. Everything which you are reading, you will get each and every question. I don't know what was the question in the technical interview, but I can assure you, in this book, which is Ultimate Crash Interview Preparation Book, this we created because just only for one purpose, that if someone is having the interviews in next 1 day, 2 day or 3 day, they can prepare for it. Only 92 pages book, and I can guarantee you whatever this candidate told in our Telegram group, all the questions were here only in this ultimate interview preparation. It will give you a very solid preparation only in 1, 2 and 3 days. Okay, so if you have your interview and if you want to prepare, you can purchase the course. Apart from this, if you have some more time, you can also read the separate notes like oops programming, STL collection framework, HR question, DSA theory, project based questions, CS fundamental, SQL query, computer science, coding sheet. Everything is present here. Okay, and this is separate notes. Okay, and this book is a ultimate book, one time preparation book for a quick preparation. And if you have time, you can go with the separate notes as well. All this you will be getting only at the price of 200 rupees. Link will be in the description. It is not like it is only for TCS, it is for all companies. Okay, now I want to discuss like little bit more about it. So if you also got the face to face discussion mail, it is kind of one panel interview, and it totally depends upon the interviewer, like what kind of questions they will ask. Mostly it will be technical plus HR questions, okay, which they are asking. Okay, if you got the quick discussion mail on MS Teams, now you just need to wait for the mail when they will be asking you to send the PDF of the documents. Send the PDF of the documents. Okay, apart from this, if you already sent the documents, like this is your final stage. After that, you just need to wait for your joining and onboarding letter. Okay, if you have your face-to-face discussion completed like this one, then you need to wait for around 1 month. Then you will be getting the result. If you got selected, you will be also getting this quick discussion and send the PDF mail. Okay, The students who are waiting for the coding test, okay, whenever you will get the coding test, just paste the screenshot on the group. I will create a video on that. Before that, you can start your preparation for coding test, okay, and start preparing the questions from lead code, hacker rank, etc. Okay, TCS pyq will help you but not much. Okay, so this is the update from TCS. Thank you so much for watching.